Hi Erica, so this is negative 5 over 8 plus x equals negative 7 over 24. So the first thing I like to tell students to do is to kill the fractions. So you kill the fractions by multiplying by the least common denominator. And in some cases it's harder to find the least common denominator than others, and that's kind of a different lesson. So I think with this one you can probably see that 24 is the least common denominator because 8 will go into 24 without a remainder and 24 will go into 24 without a remainder. So when you multiply, I know this looks a little scary, but I took the same negative 5 over 8 plus x equals negative 7 over 24. It's just I multiplied negative 5/8 by 24, x by 24, and negative 7 over 24 by 24. So first fraction multiplied by the LCD. That next term is our variable multiplied by the LCD, and then the last fraction multiplied by the LCD. Okay, so the way you enter this into the calculator is 24 times negative 5 over 8. So 24 times negative 5 divided by 8, and then you hit enter and you get negative 15. And we can, this is like the surefire easy way to do this. In person we can talk more about the other thing that I won't tell you yet, which isn't, yeah, we'll talk in person later, but this is an easy way to do it. Just 24 times negative 5 divided by 8, and then for this one negative 24 times negative 5 divided by 8, and then 24 times negative 7 divided by 24. 24 times negative 7 divided by 24, and then you hit enter and you get negative 7. This one's just 24 times x, so it's just 24x. Okay, so instead of blah times blah, we have negative 15. And then instead of plus 24x, we have plus 24x. Same thing, but smushed together. And instead of blah times blah over here, we've got negative 7. So now we've killed the fraction. So we've got a number plus a number times a letter equals a number. We want to get x by itself, so the first thing we need to do is get this constant over to the other side. This is negative, so that means we're going to add 15 to both sides. So plus 15 plus 15. Negative 15 plus 15 is 0, so that cancels out because 0 plus 24x is just 24x. And then negative 7 plus 15 is 8. So this is like negative 7, like you owe me $7, and then payday comes and you give me your whole paycheck of 15. And then I have $8 now. Or that's not a great example. Let's say you're $7 in the hole in the bank and payday comes and you deposit 15. So 7 of that 15 went to pay off your debt, and now you have $8 in the bank. Okay, so now we've got number times letter equals number. So this is the step right before the end where you divide both sides. There's my timer going off, sorry. Where you divide both sides by your coefficient, the 24 here. So we divide both sides by the coefficient. Anything divided by itself cancels out because anything divided by itself is 1, and 1 times x is x. And then 8 divided by 24 is a fraction that reduces down to 1/3. And I'm pretty sure your calculator can do that. So that's how you work this problem. I want to tell you that on YouTube, under settings, you can slow down my voice, so I recommend you do that. I do that for videos where I'm trying to learn something. Okay, I'll talk to you later.